All right, hi guys, welcome back to another 2-Minute Fridays with your host Olivia Jonelle. How are you? How is your week? I genuinely want to know. I'm out here in Miami and it's been the most incredible, healing, inspirational, mind-blowing trip. Miami is usually a place where I turn up, I have a good time. I intentionally go to party, to be bad. You know what I mean? Act bad. Act bad. I don't do that right now. And hopefully never again. Hopefully I've grown out of that stage and I'm ready to just take life a little bit more seriously, adult a little bit more harder, and mature. And so, through these last few months that I have been building this podcast and just being more intentional with my life, I have just enjoyed watching the complete shift of okay, when I want to go act bad and act crazy, life just does that for me. It just gives me that. It gives every person that wants to do that too, they're just naturally attracted to me. And so that brings me to the topic that I wanted to talk about today, which was just co-creating with life and trusting that life is going to co-create with you. So when you say you want to act bad, oh, you're going to keep meeting people who want to act bad. And when you say you want to heal and focus on your goals, you're going to meet people who want to do that too. And so, earlier this week, I have Podcast Summit coming up, and they're going to teach us how to create content, how to structure our podcast. And I was like, you know what? I'm wearing like the outfits that I chose. I'm gonna look good. I want to look really good. So I want to make sure that my body is still on 10. So with that being said, that workout lifestyle, it doesn't stop. It doesn't quit. You have to keep going. You have to still keep going every single day, even when you're on vacation. And it turns out that this hotel has a personal trainer. Like, where they do that at? They have its own personal trainer, own person, and his name is Fabian. And he comes and he works us out. And Fabian also specializes in mind and mind control. And it's so funny that I meet him and that um, we start connecting and just talking about controlling the mind, because my mind has been all over the place with trying to come up with ideas and trying to make this podcast better, make myself better. And Fabian has this way of just explaining how you have to keep your body active. You have to get up and do. That was like the main thing he said that stood out to me the most. Get up and do. You're overthinking it. You're thinking, okay, well, I kind of want to be lazy today. I kind of want to just chill today. No, you need to get up and go and just do and do the things that you said you were going to do. And so that's what I've been doing. I've been getting up every morning. I listen to my morning meetup call. I then go work out with Fabian, and then I start my day. And I am working and trying to relax too, adding some relaxation, adding some soft life to it as well. But it's just been so incredible to see that, like, okay, I've been coming to Miami thinking it was a turn up city, but now that I'm reflecting and changing my thoughts and my patterns, now I'm seeing how healing Miami can be as well. And I'm like, oh, this is a whole different side of life. And co-creating with life and then trusting that it's going to give you exactly what you want is the most beautiful thing to me. And so this podcast, I just wanted to inspire all you girlies out there that want to, gentlemen too. I know guys watch our podcast. It's like 70% guys. So gentlemen too, uh, watch what you think, watch what you ask for, because the life will co-create with you and make it happen, and then bring those people to you, attract you to those people, put you outside. You gonna just literally, when I met Fabian, it was so crazy. I had just thought, I was sitting in my bed like, I want to just look so good at Summit. I just want to look fire. I just want my body. I got this dress. Y'all gonna see it on the Instagram. I got this dress, and it's just like, I just can't wait to put it on and just feel amazing. And I want my stomach to be flat. I want my booty to be big. And so it's like, okay, I go out and I go outside just hanging out, and I meet Fabian, and he's ready to give me exactly what I want. He's like, keep going, keep going. He's pushing me to do the workout that I didn't want to do by myself, that I probably wasn't going to do by myself, to get me the results that I wanted. And I'm looking at my body now and I'm like, wow, like this is exactly what I asked for. This is exactly what I prayed for. And so this morning, as we were doing yoga, he was just explaining how valuable time is, and how people want to be so lazy and they want to just kind of like sit in the sun and relax, and they come to Miami, and I'm like, that's what I used to do. They come to Miami and they just want to sit and relax. And relax for what? Relax for what? You have goals, you have things you want to accomplish. Get up and go. Get up and do what you said you were going to do. Vacation for what? What, fulfill your purpose. And so we got into the importance of time, and then the importance of decisions. And so it reminds me of the episode last week when I just felt on my heart to tell the young women that every decision you make matters. And so to have it full circle, come back around and think that, okay, so all this week I could have relaxed. I could have had fun. I didn't have to work. I didn't have to do anything I didn't want to do. I didn't have to work out. But those little decisions I made of just working out still, of still filming my podcast, of still networking, of still working, um, it matters. It so matters, because on Sunday, when y'all see these pictures, when you see this video, it's going to hit different. It's going to hit different. The preparation that I'm going to have when I meet um, people at Summit and they see, okay, well, this girl's been consistent. She's not joking around. She's not just saying. A lot of people in the group, we're part of this ambassador group, and a lot of people in the group have been saying how much they want to start a podcast. I really want to start a podcast. I really want to do this. I don't know how to do this. I can't start because I don't know how to edit. I'm getting so lost. I'm getting so confused. And it's not to say that this isn't a process, but it's to say that, like, you're not trusting the universe. You're not trusting that you said you wanted to start a podcast, and so start it. Trust that the things that you need to make it happen are going to come to you. Um, so, yeah, that's another example of co creating with the universe and trusting the universe. Um, I am filming today with uh, a lady, and she came with all the equipment. I left my tripod at the recording last night that I was at, and she's like, yeah, I have all the equipment, so you just come to me. I'm like, okay, all right. I'm trusting the universe, and it's all coming full circle and putting me with the people and the places that I want to be at. So yeah, my challenge for you this week would be, in what ways can you co-create with the universe to get you what you want? What things do you want? How would you like to see it? Envision it in your head. Prepare for your week, and then trust that it's all going to come to you. It's all coming in divine timing. And so Yeah, that's my 10-minute Friday for the week. And I hope you guys have a great weekend.